This video will give you some tips on how to use the Apple remote control to skip through the commercials, unless of course you like to watch the commercials. Keep in mind that there are some channels that do not let you skip commercials, however most do, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do it. After you have restarted a show or have started a program that you have previously recorded, when the program goes to a commercial break, press the center on your Apple remote once to open your feature controls. Press the top of your remote ring to highlight the progress bar. Then, by tapping the right side of your remote ring one time, your program will move forward in 30-second increments. Each thumbnail, as you see here, equals 30 seconds. So, if a program commercial break is 4 minutes long, after 8 thumbnails, your program will be back from the commercial break. To resume watching the program, just press the play-pause button of your Apple remote, and that's all there is to it. Skipping commercials is easy and puts you in control of what you want to watch when you want to watch it.